Hi, welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery on this 2017 Lexus ES350 is right here under the hood. But because this vehicle has a lot of electronics, we still recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to connect a host battery or a 12-volt power supply to the battery cables. And this will keep all the vehicle's computer's memories alive while we're replacing the battery. The next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable and remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. The next step is to loosen the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the battery hold-down bracket. Now we can carefully remove the battery blanket and remove the old battery. Now we can install the replacement battery. And the battery's protective blanket. Next, reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and retighten the fasteners. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And tighten the fastener. The last step is to remove the host battery or the 12-volt power supply from the battery cables. And we're done.